I thought I'd show you one that we're working on today. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So the vehicle owner's concern on this 06 Toyota Sienna was number one, the heater isn't blowing warm air. Number two, misfires and a check engine light, engine running rough. And number three, engine overheating. And so they're all kind of related together. This particular car had overheated at some point in its life and it ended up damaging the head gasket. With the damaged head gasket, we're getting coolant into the cylinders or radiator fluid or antifreeze, whatever you want to call it. And that's causing the rough running and the misfires. Also, it's causing the coolant to get burned out of the exhaust and it gets low, and that's what's causing the engine to overheat. And then lastly, it's causing air pockets in the heater cores inside the car, and so they aren't working efficiently either. So really, all three problems are related to the head gasket. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.